Welcome back. While the basic line plot works, it often lacks visual context. In this lecture, we learn how to significantly enhance readability by customizing the line color and style, adding markers to highlight data points, and including a grid to help estimate values along the axis. 1. Setup. Basic line plot data. We begin with a simple parabola function. This straightforward dataset will help us clearly see the effect of various styling arguments we apply to the line plot. 2. Customizing line color and style. You can control the appearance of the line using keyword arguments within plt.plot. Use color to set the line color, using either English names like green or hexadecimal codes. Use line style to set the line pattern, such as a dashed line represented by 2 dashes. Finally, used marker to place symbols at each data point, such as O for a circle. 3. Adding a grid. To make it easier for viewers to estimate the values of points, we can add a grid to the background of the plot using plt.grid and setting its argument to true. This adds horizontal and vertical reference lines extending from the tick marks on the axis. This should be called before plt.show. 4. Displaying the enhanced plot. Running the code now displays the plot with all our customizations: the green, dashed line, circle markers, and the background grid. You can see how much more informative the plot becomes with these simple additions. To summarize, these simple style elements greatly improve plot clarity. Our next lecture 37.05, Control Transparency. See you there.